Alright, got a Honda 650 something or other here. It's got an engine noise. I'm gonna see if I get it fired up so you guys can hear it. Alright, see if we got any power here. Key on. Fuel gauge is blinking. This thing must have a choke, right? Yeah, right there. You don't like it. Alright, she ain't getting fuel, that's for sure. Stop this for now. There she goes. Well, I stay running, but she fires. Look what's up with that. Let's try the stock curve. Nope, same deal. Alright. Maybe because of the dead battery? I'm running it on the battery charger right now. Alright, I popped the battery out of my three-wheeler, chucked it in there, and I cleaned this main ground strap area here. Let's see if it'll stay running now. I don't know, you know, some of these things are finicky about a battery not being dead, and the one was stone dead. Yep, that did it. Alright, now we can hear that. Oh, did you hear that noise? That's the noise she makes. Not good. Better, it sounds like here, but still doing it. Yeah, it's not too bad at idle. What that is, but it can't be good. Ah, just shut the fuck off on me. Uh-oh. Now it won't even run. Weird. Well, you got to hear the noise. Now we got to figure out what the hell's wrong with it.